There are different ways of investing. I mean, one depends on your risk appetite as well.
Yes.
I mean, if you're quite aggressive, you are into, only equities. You're not invested elsewhere. Okay, you are okay. You're quite risk seeker. Then, if you're moderate risk seeker, then definitely you have a hybrid kind of a portfolio which has debt and equity both, or maybe gold, silver, debt, equity, everything. And if you are, I would say, risk averse investor, then you have more of debt and less of equity, and maybe asset allocation is accordingly. So the asset allocation that way is very very critical, Atul, I would say, and it's a very critical part. I mean, it depends on what age group you belong to, what is your risk appetite. Now coming only to equity specific, okay, so there also things depend on whether you are risk averse or maybe risk seeker. If you're a risk seeker, then definitely you have more of mid and small cap, okay, and less of large cap, and vice versa. Maybe you are invested in a flexi cap kind of a portfolio, okay. Now, after doing that, I mean, that's the second step. And after doing that, was important, Atul, is to check that which kind of stocks you are getting into. So getting into those stocks which are fundamentally, technically, from the derivatives point of view, in a good uptrend, that makes more sense rather than entering into any illiquid stock, probably SMEs based on some news or rumors. Or probably getting into a stock wherein it's relatively available at in single digit, double digit at a very cheaper rate, and then you think that it can go 4-5 times and market grows, and those stocks will not grow or may not grow probably. That makes your portfolio underperforming when markets are performing, and then even further underperforming when markets are even not performing. So जब market नीचे जाता है, your portfolio falls more, and market goes up, your portfolio do not recover much. Probably it's not giving you much return. So what kind of quality your stocks are? That's very important. Quality is very important, not the quantity. So keep that in mind. I mean, if you have a good quality and if you have a good asset allocation.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.